Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our mathematics class. And students, we are on our chapter number 1, right? And its name is what? Knowing our numbers. So see students, today we are going to start exercise number 1.1, okay, which is given on page number 12 in your textbook. Okay, so see, first question is what? Fill in the blanks. So here already I solved in notebooks, so just give proper attention. So first question is what? Fill in the blanks. Here 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. So you have to find 1 lakh is how many 10,000. So it's very simple. So first upon, see, you have to write these parts in numerator and these parts in denominator. So how? So here 1 lakh. So we write here 1 lakh in digits. Okay. And in denominator here which information is given 10,000. We have to convert it into 10,000. So 10,000. So we write it in denominator as a 10,000. Okay. So now see how many zero are there in 10,004. So see here you have to cut 40 in denominator as well as in numerator. Okay. So after that, which number is remaining in numerator? 10. So our answer is what? 10. So 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. Understood? Now see 1 million is equal to this 100,000. So same way. So first upon you write here 1 million. 1 million means this is the international number system. Okay. So we write here 1 million. So see 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. Okay. And same way here 100,000. So same way 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Clear students? Now see how many zero are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here also more than 5 zeros are there after 1. So we can simplify it and simply cut it 50. Okay, in denominator and numerator also. So after cut, after reducing these zeros, so which number is remaining here? 10. Correct students? So we write here 10. So 1 million is equal to 100,000. Understood? Now see 1 crore. 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakhs. So same way. So first upon we write 1 crore in digits. See 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. Okay, this is the Indian number system. Same way here the 10 lakh is given. So see 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Correct students? So see how many zero are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in here also the zeros are more than 6 zeros are available in numerator. So we can cut it same zeros. So 6 zeros cut here in denominator as well as in numerator. And after cut the 10 is remaining. So our answer is 10. So 1 crore is equal to 10 lakhs. Understood? 1 crore is equal to dash million. So here the one number is given in Indian number system and one number is in international number system. So methods are same. First we write 1 crore in digits same way and here million is given. So we write here this number in figure into international number system. So how many zero are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cut it. Same way here also 6 numbers you have to cut. So again which number is remaining? 10. So we can say 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Understood students? See here 1 million is equal to dash lakhs. So here this number is international number system and second one is in RHS. The number is given in Indian number system. 1 million. We write here in digits. Same way 1 lakh. So this is Indian number system. So in 1 lakh 5 zero are there. So we also cut in numerator 50. So again, which number is remaining? 10. So 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Understood, students? Okay. Now see question number 2. Question number 2 is what? Place commas correctly and write the numerals. Okay, so you have to put comma. Okay, and after that write the numerals. So see, here I also solve this sum. So give proper attention. See, place comma correctly and write the numerals. So first one is 73 lakh 75,307. Okay, so see, 73 lakhs. So first of all, we write 73. Okay, 73 lakhs. So we write here 73. 75,000. So 75. And after that, 307. 307. This is Indian number system. So see, now we put comma, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh and 10 lakhs. Okay, so in 10 lakh places, which number is there? 73. In 10,000 places, there is 75. So we called as 75,000 and 307. Understood? Now see next number, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So 9 crore. We write here first 9, 5 lakhs. So see, there is no any number in 10 lakh places. So we put 0. Okay, we write 0 and after that 5. Okay, so 5 lakhs is there and 41. So there is no any number at a 10,000 place and 1,000 place. So we cannot skip it. We write 0 on that places. Okay, so 0 0 and 41. So 0 4 1. Okay, in 100 place there is no number, so we add, we put 0. Okay, now put comma. So ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, and crore. Okay, so we can read these numbers very easily. 9 lakhs, sorry, 9 crore 5 lakhs 41. Okay, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Okay, students, understood? Third one, 7 crore. So we write here 7. 52 lakhs. So 52. 21,000. So 21. And 302. 302. Okay, and comma. In Indian number system, we have to keep first upon we calculate 3 digits. Okay, after this direction, and then 2 2 2. Okay, then continue. So ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakhs, comma, and crore. 7 crore 52 lakhs 71,302. 58 million. See here the international number system given. 58,423,202. Okay, so 58 million. So we write here 58. 423,000. 423. 423,000. Right? And 202. So 202. And in international number system, we put comma after three digits. Okay. So 1, 10, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, and 10 million. So 58 million, 423,000, and 202. Okay. Last one, 23 lakh 30,010. Sorry, 23 lakh 30,010. So 23 lakhs we write here. 30,000. So 30,000 and 10. So 0 10. Right? In 100 places there is no any number, so we put 0. Correct? Now put is comma. 1, 10, 100, comma, 10, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh and 10 lakhs. So 23 lakhs, 30,000 and 10. Understood, students? Okay. Now see question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Insert commas suitably and write the numbers according to Indian number system, Indian systems of numeration. Okay, so here we have to put a comma and after that we write in words. Okay, and here the Indian number system is given. So see, give attention. This one is also very simple. The first one is what? 8759572. Okay. So first upon we write this number as it is, and after that we keep a comma. So here this is the Indian number system. So you have to keep remember in your mind. So when you want to put a comma, that time you have to remember 3222 and so on. Okay. So ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, and crore. Okay. So see, after putting this comma, we separate this all digits in particular places. Okay, so we read here 8 crore 75,000, sorry, 8 crore 75 lakhs 95,762. Okay, so see, you have to read more than one time these numbers, then the mistake will be reduced. Okay, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crore. So 8 crore 75 lakhs 95,762. Okay, this number we have to write in word. Next one, 8546283. So first upon we write this number as it is, and after that we put comma. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So 85 lakhs 46,283. Understood? Same way we have to write these numbers as it is, and after that put comma. Okay, so here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crore. 9 crore 99 lakhs 46. Our answer. Okay, students. And last one, same way, 9843271. So we keep a comma. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, and crore. So 9 crore 84,000. Sorry, 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. Okay, so don't be hurry, read it properly. Okay, so our answer is 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. Okay, students, understood? So see, you have to write this exercise in your notebook. Okay, and practice it. And see, question number 1. Here you can take snapshots. Okay, question number 2. And question number 3. And see, question number 1, question number 4 is also same. So I want to give it in your HW. So difference is what? In question number 3, we have to done with Indian number system, and here just the difference is what? We have to write according international number system, international system of numeration. So it is also very easy. Okay, so you just try it. Okay, students, thank you, have a nice day.